Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and choosing Stories or Reels so the filter applies immediately. Tap the effects tray at the bottom and swipe until you see the magnifier icon. This lets you search for the eyes and mouth filter by name or creator. Once found, tap to preview. This shows how the filter tracks facial features. Allow camera and microphone access if prompted, because the filter needs permission to map your eyes and mouth accurately and to respond in real time. Now position yourself so the filter can track your features. Center your face and keep eyes level and your mouth fully visible. Once done, you can toggle front or rear camera and pinch to zoom or move the effect so eyes and mouth align precisely. If alignment seems off, move slightly closer or farther. The tracker uses contrast and feature points. Also, make sure lighting is even. Soft front light helps detection, whereas harsh backlight or heavy shadows will confuse the filter. When everything lines up, record by tapping or holding the capture button. Speak or act so the eyes and mouth respond. Once recorded, you can add stickers, text, or music, then save to your device or share directly to Story, Reel, or a DM. If the filter won't track, try closing and reopening Instagram, update the app, or clear cache. Also retry in brighter, even lighting. If problems persist, search for the filter creator for an updated version or usage notes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.